Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to Salesforce CRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in Salesforce CRM you can create new contacts and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Now choose an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Contacts account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. We make sure to provide all access. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see an example of data for one of your Google Contacts contacts. If you are satisfied, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Contacts data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system, Salesforce CRM. Next, select an action. In this case, I want to create new contacts. At this stage you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password for your Salesforce CRM personal account. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see the Salesforce CRM fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Don't forget to select a status. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be transferred to Salesforce CRM in the form of new contacts, with each new contact from Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Salesforce CRM. After successful sending, go to Salesforce CRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Salesforce CRM as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.